morning. I'm Professor Felipe Wiltgen by Universidade de Taubaté. I'm speaking about my research in test plan in system requirement engineering for strategic engineering areas. The summary is abstract, introduction, test plan, research, development, test and evaluation is big test plan, structuring test plan, strategic engineer projects, solution domain, 2 phases of the test plan, experimental test with the prototypes based on system required engineering with technique V model, and the discussion and the final considerations. The abstract, this paper represents important experimental tests area engineering for conduction engineer design, particularly in phases strategy in civil and military areas. This procedure includes 2 important parts of the tests, which tests performed in controlled laboratory environment and tests performed in relevant field environment. Test sequence begin procedures performance and laboratory, which accompanies integration of parts and systems and the technological readiness level. This is very important for developing the project because the maturity of the project. During the evolution, the project development, complexities of the test increase and beginning to be tested less friendly environment, getting closer and closer to real operation environment. In course of the scientific paper, system requirement engineering techniques will be presented, contemplate important tactics of construction and execution the test plan. Trial the tests are directly involved with performing and the development of project. It's common in engineering carry out tests. Testing is fundamental importance for good results of project. With the high cost involved in tag deadlines and science cost involving tests and trial are a significant part of investment, and no meeting of deadline almost always results in lost, direct or indirect. Test plan is documented discovery is planned by strategy for effective performance of the test. These pictures show the important guys. In this case, is clients, stakeholders, and the users, and the manager. Manager discussed and elicitation requirement in 3 documents. This document is discussion team. Team create requirements document and based this document is as attributes, assumptions of these guys. This is discussed with the team of the tests, create procedures in the test plan in 2 phases, in laboratory and the field. Testing laboratory is control environment testing in field relevant environment. This is 2 phases, sequential phases. First, developing the tests in controlled environment, and finish tests in relevant environment field. Structured plan test engineer project is analyzing the problems, building requirements, critical analysis, and sustainability, support, effectiveness. performance criteria, development criteria, identify real requirements, building test plan, execute tests, analyze tests, and results. Is compare requirement with the test result is very important, because this is a final product is reported about the tests. Solution domain in two phases. First phase is tests in control environment, and CDR is report, and second phase is tests in field, in relevant environment, and the principal report is FDR. Experimental tests with prototypes based on system requirement engineering with V model, timing and maturity, and problem study in domain of problem is first V, define system requirements, system function and subsystem, detail component design, and the report is PSC, preferred system consents, PDR is preliminary design review, and CDR, critical design review. And second phase, the tests, the model V, is tests in control environment, and the tests in the relevant environment, então laboratory in the field, and check components, verify system and subsystem, complete verify system operation. This report important is FDR, final design review. This is map for the good building construction plan test for strategic areas, developing the new products, new techniques, new procedures, and the others. In this left problem study, and the right the V model proposed solution is two important environments for these techniques. Discussion and final consideration. In fact, solution of a problem requirement is deep acknowledgement about the problem, but is very important for solution. Strategic engineering areas essential for research studies, tests, analysis, problem, directive path of follow. Important part of system requirement engineering is structured test plan, and tools and the procedures inform application techniques and the development for real physics tests and prototypes. This is very important. Use the well-structured plan tests lead the success of project results, discussing many manufacturing in the project in real world. Thank you, and my presentation of test and plan system requirement. Thank you again.